Hi guys, welcome to Coinex CSC Talks. So in this video, we are going to look about a new project which is Galactic War, which is going to be deployed in Coinex Smart Chain. So there is a strategic partnership which is involving Galactic War and Coinex Smart Chain. So their gaming is really very like high rated graphics. They are also having a metaverse in that. So there is also a demo version available which you can click on this play now and you click on the option to download it. So that is a traditional method of gaming. They have also the MetaMask feature to be included. uh, they have their graphics and their game, it's almost over, so they have to add some extra features like adding a MetaMask wallet, so their quest inventory, these things, NFTs needs to be there. So we'll make a separate video on their gameplay and what are the features available in gaming. So yeah, let's first this is their website galacticwar.io. So what we need to mainly focus here is their documentation, roadmap, their team, and what are their what is their game plan, and like they have their backstory behind the this game. That's what we are going to look at first, their story. So yeah, so it is a future type of galactic war schemes where when the resources or have been gradually exhausted, so there is not a universe that does not crave resource. That's a well known fact. So what they invented is a big bang bomb. They detonated planets to gather energy from, and so at the part of 1753, their grid went high level, and they decided to tap into the largest star center of multiverse. So when the big bang bomb exploded, a huge source of energy, right, uh, overloaded it, and the entire eternal universe have been exploded. So the structure of nebulae, the orbits of the planets were deflated from after the explosion, so changing the whole universe system. So this is what they are calling it as neutro event. So yeah, so after some time since the explosion, right, so they discovered there is a large rock, like size 1 by 5th of the moon. They are containing some energy resource that can provide billion of years later on the rock. They engraved into with an unidentified characters. It's about usage, right? So they can gather 4 of these stones to use that energy. So they have not harnessed the energy inside it. So they call the stone galactic. During the research, humans have discovered a number of time space anomalies, and anomalies is nothing but the events that occur, irregular occurrences. So in the middle of the multiverse, there are unknown spacecraft. They don't know where it come from, because when in the present universe humans have control over everything, so they don't know what is that spaceship and where they are coming from. So after the investigation, we humans actually found that where the red neutron star formed an unusual black hole, and realized that there was a hole in a space, okay, and the venture into black hole, and what they have witnessed was like there is another dimension. So now they are coming into the concept of multiverse, or rather another universe, so that exists in the dimension hole. For such universes exist, there are like alpha, beta, gamma, and delta universes, and other unknown universes are also there. So there is one similarity between this universes is that the loss of minerals. So in 7060, the universes officially held a meeting together to learn about the whole and the galactic. It turns out that every universe has one galactic realizing the potential for danger. So when all the universes have ambitions to take possession of the galactic, there is no universe that does not want to take it. So in 7062, a gunshot deep through deep night sky, assuring it's the first war of the from the Gamma universe. So this is the first event of the upcoming big war, which is the Galactic War. So I think you might have understood. So it is nothing but in a future where the resources are not there, humans start exploring the planets, and as the greed increases, they tapped into a biggest star, and they have exploded it. So now there is no this which caused a black hole, and which opened the multi dimensions. uh, so like there are 4 to 5 dimensions like gamma, beta, alpha, and all what is common for all the things is they lost the minerals, and they need galactic. One galactic is by the combining 4 rocks of the stones, which is by the big star, right? It has been exploded. By collecting them, they will be getting a one galactic. So each of them has one galactic, and they want ambition, and they want to fight it over the other universes, and they want to have gain a control over the other galactic. So this is what they story behind it, and the war, galactic war, how it is taking place uh, now. Yeah, let's go. Their marketplace is coming soon, and yeah, so I think we skip the trailer, as we will be having a real gameplay, so we'll be skipping the trailer. And yeah, the features that include, they have a ranking system and a quest system, which I also saw it in the game. It is yet to be implemented yet. uh, Evolutionary system, so they have the different universes, so they have seen in gameplay like they collect some woods, they gather some resources, so its evolutionary system is possible. So unique AAA grade graphics rated game. So it is for FPS enthusiast, but it is combined with NFTs and blockchain based gaming in a creative yet. So they have their motto to make the people change the way of gaming, and they have PvP arena rewards, so idle campaign rewards. So combine the greatest aspects of gaming and the digital collections. So as I said earlier, so yeah, so this is a core gathering team, and so it has been done, completed. Core UI UX and their development of initial development is done, and their website design, light paper, social media branding is done. Website completion, white paper, pitch desk, fundraising activities, they are done. And airdrop is done. Yeah, game production, publish game, token staking, running marketing strategies, audit. They have certificate, guys. It's a big thing, right? So yeah, they have, next thing is going to be like, it is yet to be there. IDO, INO, dex, centralized exchange listings, decentralized exchange listings, token staking, alpha test, anti cheat system, testnet. Yeah, so they have a lot of things to yet come. And traditional gameplay release, AR/VR developments, tournaments. Yeah, they have coming up with the metaverse also. So yeah, so now, so fighting against enemies in different gameplay modes. They have like deathmatch, flag capture mode, battle royale, which is popular form of gaming in CS:GO, PUBG. Now there also will be coming battle royale also will be there, and their graphics is much far better than CS:GO. Like it is on the same level as CS:GO, and their I really like their graphics, and their controls, what they do, how they're displaying it in the UI. It was simple, but it was the best. So they have their inventory, like they have the AR rifles. Apart from that, as it is we are in 70th century, so they have like different types of guns which are available, and you can unlock it, or I think there will be a buy option with their utility token. So yeah, they have their characters like alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, whatever the universes they have their own players characters, and we'll be exploring in detail of the characters, their weapons, their NFTs in the next video on the documentation part. So they have a futuristic battlefield, So it can be like happening anywhere. So it can be like in terrain, it can be in battleships. So you should be able to use the advantage of the terrains over there. So metaverse is also going to be coming it. So planet owner, you will have to contrast the building, training your own army and to become the greatest empire in the universe. So yeah, so this is what they have mentioned it so far. And then this is their team. So they have a big team, and their team has been wholly. They have explained even the CEO, their team, tech lead, who are the persons who are working in this UI UX and everything. They have explained it. So these are their advisors, and yeah, they have their partners also. So their partners, their advisors and team, which will be looking in detail in the documentations. So yeah, guys, apart from that, what we need to see is their pitch desk. So they have their option of pitch desk where you can see their their PDF. It's more of a light paper version. We'll be seeing a white paper, so we can skip this part for now. So yeah, guys, make sure you're subscribed to Coinex CSC Talks to get the next update on Galactic War. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.